Love at first sight. Falling in love the first time you see someone. She felt love at first sight when she met him. For me, pizza is love at first sight. Couch potato. A person who sits and watches TV all day. My brother is a couch potato on weekends. She became a couch potato during the holidays. Sweet tooth. A love for sugary foods. I have a sweet tooth and I love chocolate. She eats cake every day because of her sweet tooth. Pretty penny. Very expensive. This dress cost me a pretty penny. They spent a pretty penny on their new car. Fit as a fiddle. Very healthy and strong. The doctor said I'm fit as a fiddle. My grandfather is 80 but still fit as a fiddle. Behind the times. Old-fashioned. This music is behind the times, but I like it. He doesn't use cell phone. He's behind the times. Fish out of water. Feels uncomfortable in certain situation. She looked like a fish out of water at the fancy party. He felt like a fish out of water when he moved to a new country. Give a cold shoulder. To ignore someone or be unfriendly. She gave him the cold shoulder at the party. My sister gave me the cold shoulder when I took her book. Born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. To be born into a rich family. He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. I was not born with a silver spoon in my mouth, so I work hard for everything. Slip through one's fingers. Miss an opportunity. The chance to get the job slipped through my fingers. I worked hard, but the deal slipped through my fingers.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!